Fed up with juggling plates in the microwave? Tired of heating one up while the other one goes cold? There's plenty of room inside, but how do you get 2 plates in without squeezing and squashing? Introducing HotMate from JML, the multifunction microwave tray that lets you heat 2 dishes at the same time. It's like having 2 microwaves in one. Simply put 1 dish in your microwave, fold out HotMate's legs, and then you can stand another dish on top. Now you have 2 hot dishes ready to serve at the same time. Heat up your favorite jacket potato filling just before the potato is ready and enjoy them both hot at the same time. Cook chili and rice, pizza and chips, salmon and vegetables. Microwave cooking just got a whole lot tastier. HotMate is specially designed with contoured grooves to ensure your plates are gripped securely in place. It's also perfect to cover dishes when you cook. It has a ventilation hole that lets steam escape while the flavor stays locked inside. And it'll help keep your microwave clean by catching any splatter. HotMate is heat resistant, so it's perfect for lifting hot dishes out of your microwave without burning your fingers. And when you're finished, simply rinse or pop it in the dishwasher. And with 2 in a pack, you'll always have HotMate to hand when you need it most. So why take it in turns to eat or wait for one plate to heat up while letting the other go cold? HotMate takes microwave cooking to a whole new level. Double the space in your microwave with the HotMate 2-piece set from JML. Take yours to the checkout now.